guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Luseta. I know it's been a long time since I've done a video. It's been a crazy month, but I'm here now and I wanted to do a little Thanksgiving makeup look with you guys. I have pretty much all of my face done already. All I'm missing are my eyes. So I'm going to be using this new eyeshadow palette that they gifted me. The brand is Palladio Beauty, and this is the eyeshadow palette. It is a 35 pan eyeshadow palette. It is called the Ultimate Pro Shadow Palette 35 count eyeshadow collection. It is all like fall warm tones, and this brand is also botanical and vitamin infused cosmetic. It's a clean beauty brand. This video is not sponsored by them, by the way. I just wanted to try this eyeshadow palette with you guys, and I wanted to, you know, create a Thanksgiving look inspired. So I'm going to just show you the palette. This is their new fall collection, I believe, and it does not have a mirror, unfortunately, but it has all of these beautiful shades, and there are a couple of mattes and then the rest are like shimmers. So I'm excited to try this out and see how it works on my eyes. So we're going to first prep the eyelid with my favorite primer, well, not primer, concealer for my eyes, which is from Morphe. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in so you could actually see what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can see me there, what I'm doing. I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my eyelids with this primer, concealer. You could use a primer or a concealer that is very light, lighter than your skin tone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. I have no idea what I'm going to create, so bear with me. And I haven't done this in a while, guys. I've been very busy and really active on my Instagram lately, so go check that out. It's at F.lismania Beauty. I post a lot of content there, but I wanted to, you know, to do something with you guys here. I miss being on YouTube. Hopefully you guys can see what I did here. Okay, now that that's done, I'm actually looking into a new kind of like a base for my eyes. So I'm looking into that P. Louise, I think it's called, base. So I'm waiting for hopefully Black Friday and things are on sale to get that. I'm sorry, I'm like really close up. Okay, so there are a lot of shades here that I can work with. Let's go ahead and I'm going to start, I think, with this one right here. Let's see if you see it, you guys, here. Yeah, that one. I'm going to start my crease and just do this. It's kind of like a light yellow. Yeah. And then go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. You know, the shade is working good. The color is pretty good. Okay. My lips are really orange today. Then I'm going to get another color to go over this, like a transition shade. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here, so you guys can see it there. It's more like a brown. Oh, it's nice. It's like a softer brown, not so harsh. Okay. Then I'm going to go with, I want to go with like a darker on the edges, so thinking, okay, so I'm gonna go with this one right here, which is like a darker brown. dragging it. I'm going to get another brush and I'm kind of like blend all of this. Okay, then for the all over the lid, let's see if I see, I think I'm gonna go with this one right here, this shimmery shade right here. Hopefully it applies. Oh yes, it applies very good with the actual brush. It's like a yellow. It's very pretty. And I'm just gonna go again over, you know, with the black. Oh, I'm sorry, like with the brown. I was doing. Okay, so I'm going to go again with that dark shade again here. And then go again with the first shade right here. Kind of go again over this. It's pretty. And then now I'm going to go. I'm not sure if to do the wing line now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do like the wing with an eyeliner, a brown eyeliner. This is from the Urban Decay 24/7 Gliding Eye Pencil Waterproof Long Lasting. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing. Okay, I'm gonna go over with the brush, what do you call it, an angle brush, and then just like smudge it out a little bit so it could look more like natural. And I'm going to get, I think, this same brown that I was using, and then just go over it. So I'm going to go off camera and finish the look. I'm just gonna put my lashes and then I'll get back and do the lower lash line, okay? Okay, I'm back with some lashes, but I'm not done with the eye look. I'm going to go now with, in my inner corner, let me show my brush, right here. Okay, with my inner corner, some like highlight. So I think this one right here. So let's see, right here. And I also have to do the lower lash line. Ooh, it's pretty. Yes. I'm going to see if I could zoom you guys so that you can take a look and finish the look how we were doing. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. I'm loving it. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same colors but on the lower line. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to go Here, same thing on the other eye. And then, what was the other one? I'm gonna go with this one. Kind of like mix them together. Okay, so far so good. And the little shimmer I'm gonna do also. I like it. Okay. Well, overall, I really like this palette. It has everything you need to create this fall look, and very pretty for Thanksgiving, for this whole month, you know, the whole holidays. Let me show you guys a close-up. Hopefully you guys can see everything, and just use your favorite lashes as well. I really like it. I think it came out really nice and perfect for the holidays. Let me know what you guys think. This is the final look. Sorry I had to like go back, but yeah, this is the look. I really like it. I liked everything. Let me know what you guys think, what you're going to do for Thanksgiving. This Thanksgiving is gonna be a little bit different, but we still have to be thankful for everything, for being here, and hopefully it will be a better 2021. And thank you guys. Hope you have a wonderful holidays with your family, and hope to see you soon before the New Year's. Bye.